I really need someone again, to help me cotton in my pain. I tried to find you, but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame. Here I am, walking down the streets, headphones on my ears, let me get out of this life. Feeling stuck in the lies, like might be seen or disguised. I don't know what happened, but individuals are something we can reckon on. People don't get it, I'm sick of their mistakes, I'm sick of this illness. She drives us crazy while you don't see it. She's hiding it, putting fires to let her in her body. The reason why you can't is because she's in here already. Feeling like you feel lost or a bit stupid. Sitting all the bonus and the sweetness she once carried. Letting go, please be yourself from his never be directed by someone else. I really need someone again, to help me cotton in my pain. I tried to find you, but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame. You heard that? It's no perjury, I'm just living and this is my testimony. They just follow money everywhere they go. They just thinking many options to have it all. Lord, no, wait, did you only want this? Did you really think currency what the real business? Nobody cares now, we live in unhappiness. MNCs and politics might be the most murderous thing about life. I just feel helpless, I'm just playing dice wishing that it's gonna be better. I put on my sweater on a dark blue day, and in the singing this song I can't do nothing but I pray. I really need someone again, to help me cotton in my pain. I tried to find you, but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame. I really need someone again, to help me cotton in my pain. I tried to find you, but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame.